What's going on, guys? So this is part 2 of the Volkswagen build. Please make sure you watch the entire episode because I do have questions for you guys, and if you go all the way to the end, you'll see my question and you guys will be able to help me out if you know anything about Volkswagens. So with that being said, watch the episode and stay tuned all the way till the end and answer my questions in the comments below. If you can, it would be greatly appreciated. Peace. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to jump start it to see if it'll even start. So Matt is going to get in the car, hit the clutch when I tell him to. I'm going to hook up these cables and see how well that this works. So let us see. We're going to put our positive on. Alright, Matt, give it a crank. Alright, he's clicking. You don't want to crank. 179,000 on the dash. Okay, so guys, we did get the window up. I had to use some twigs on the farm to get it up. And we found out that this thing is... You think this is broken, or like it's like can be glued back or something?
Glued back, but there's a freaking bolt right here. I don't know. It might not cover it.
I mean, it fooled us. We didn't know it was broken. This poor car.
What? Surprise, surprise. Two-time suspicious.
Well, okay, they silicone the shit out of it. That's why.
Yeah. You gotta get new coils either way.
Yeah, of course.
Because they're too cheap to buy the new coils.
You have pliers? All right. Got a little piece of it.
What kind of tape is this?
It's the silicone, bro. They silicone that shit shut.
Yeah. You got the grips and everything. That's plastic.
Matt, you got a knife? Dorian. Hurricane Dorian. You gotta cut that silicone there. So apparently these guys siliconed the coils in and now we have to cut them.
That's why I've only want me GB.
Florida mechanics for you. Matt, you see this?
Is that the
Get
coil
that for the
pack?
camera. Bro, look at all that silicone.
Is that the coil pack?
Dude, the coil literally came apart in like 4 different pieces.
We fixed that.
You know they did that because of the valve cover gasket. And such a small fix that valve cover gasket is.
What the fuck? We fixed that.
Yeah, this is not suspicious at all.
What happened?
Fucking, they got silicone.
On the plug itself too?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
And plus the rubber from the coil. Nice. Call me back tomorrow. Freaking gal.
Was that your biddy?
Huh?
That's your biddy?
One of them skanks I'm talking to.
Alright. So Mike, what do you think about this super rare car as of right now?
Ghetto rig. That's what I think.
Fresh cut, fresh cuts.
Hold that there.
Okay. Try and see if you can get that boot out.
I got stuck.
Hold that thought.
Hey,
That's how you get the rest of that.
the final piece of the coil pack.
Want some silicone too? After 3 layers and some mystery tape.
Bro. Wait, the boot's on that one too?
No, it's off. It's right here.
Alright.
So yeah.
Well, they didn't really fix that properly because the connector is messed up. Like, if you look at the connector, it's broken. It just sits in there and pulls out easy. There's no tab, locking tab.
What's that favorite thing we like to use? Zip ties.
Yeah. So I feel like maybe I should pull out the valve cover gasket as well.
Yeah.
Try to keep a steady hand as possible. What's it being held on? There's a bolt back here. There's the ratchet and the socket. Any extension? Matt, you getting like good quality footage, or you just getting the back of my head?
I'm thinking it's good quality footage.
You think it's good quality?
Quality footage of the back of the head.
I wonder if this is long enough that it's holding on the valve cover. I think I see a join. I'm not sure, or it could just be a.
Right there.
Nothing is back. There you go.
Just need to beat these skunk down. What was the whole purpose of sealing it up like that? It does skip time. What happened back here? That's the question we gotta start asking.
Well, I'm hoping that it didn't skip. That this chain held it back from skipping, and only the belt slipped, not the. You get what I'm saying? Only the belt slipped, and not the gears. Only one way to know. We gotta try to put it on top dead center and see if the top lines up. I'm not worried about the crank right now, but if the top kind of lines up and the piston hits top dead, then I think we're in business.
Fishy. But okay.
We gotta pull out the plug, right? Spark plug.
German engineering, y'all.
We gunning out here, people.
That does not look like. That looks like it's been mixed with oil.
It looks like I got super on it.
A what?
I thought I had super glue on it, but it's
Well, it might just be the dielectric grease that you're seeing mixed.
That looks like regular silicone to me. Look at that.
There's nothing in there. I took that one out.
Should have said that in the first place.
Alright, so you got a long screwdriver?
No, that's at work.
Okay, I got an idea.
Extension on top of extension
Yeah.
on top of extension. No longer than that.
I'm out of 3/8.
You know,
I mean, I'm out of a 1/4 inch.
Oh, there's a toolbox in there.
Oh.
Cha-ching.
Okay. Try to go a little bit more. Socket's gonna fall off. Whoa! Now that looked like top dead center to me. Try to go a little bit more. You might have to reposition your breaker bar. Now back it back. There you go. That's top dead right there. Do you see any marking on the cam? This one. I feel like when I go home and I look at this footage, it's just gonna have footage of this mat just going like this, you know.
That meets all your shit.
Well, doesn't have no marking on this. Well, it does have a marking, but it's pointed down.
So I think right now we're in the exhaust stroke. Because they gotta be pointing up. There should be a marking on the aluminum cast of the head.
Cha-ching.
Found it?
On the thing, but I know where it is.
But not on the head.
No. Lost the eye. Get you butt up, puss.
Alright, I know you're tired of it. We'll cut there until we get it up.
Saw. Ain't gonna use this for fish no more.
Why? Just wash it.
No, I lost the sharpness. I don't feel like finding a sharpener and sharpen a bitch.
Mike, that look like it ain't cutting shit.
Oh, it lost the sharpness.
Let Matt hit it one hard last for the cut last on.
Let's give it one jump.
I don't want to know. Why would I want to know? Let me hear.
Very valuable.
Let me hear. I kind of do want to know. What's going on, guys? So I hope you definitely enjoyed that episode. I have a few questions for some of you guys who know about Volkswagens. I really don't know anything about Volkswagens. I've never really worked on one. This is my first time working on one, so that's why this project will be awesome. I'll get to learn a lot. So question number one, where is the timing mark for the cam? Is there a mark on the casting? Because I don't see one at all. I removed the valve cover, maybe trying to see if there's a closer look. I haven't seen any. And where's the marking on the crank? I tried looking under there as well, and I haven't seen any also. And I'm not sure if I'm looking at the right spot. Maybe I missed something. I'm not 100% sure. Plus, if there's anything that I need to know doing this timing belt, please let me know in the description below. Leave all your comments underneath the description. It'll be such a big help for me. Like I said, I've never done a Volkswagen before. This is all new to me, and I need your help. You guys are the viewers, whoever watches these videos, and if any of you guys deal with Volkswagen, please let me know everything I need to know in the description below. I have to buy all the parts for it, and we're also going to be doing the interior as well. So like I said, if there's anything I need to know ahead of time, please let me know in the description below, and I will appreciate it greatly. Peace.